Have you ever wondered how AI can make your life easier? If you're nodding your head or even just a bit curious, then you're in the right place. Today, let's unravel the world of artificial intelligence, or as most of us know it, AI. AI is like a brilliant assistant that never sleeps. It's a combination of algorithms and computing power designed to simulate human intelligence. Imagine having a personal helper that's not only smart, but also learns from experience. That's AI for you. Unlike humans, AI doesn't need coffee breaks or 8 hours of sleep. It's always ready to help, whether it's to recommend your next favorite movie or to predict the weather for your upcoming trip. It's like having a pocket-sized oracle that constantly learns and improves. And the importance of AI? Well, it's like asking why we need smartphones in the 21st century. AI has become an integral part of our lives, so much so that we often don't realize we're using it. When you ask your smartphone for the quickest route home, or when you get personalized shopping suggestions online, that's AI at work. But it's not all about convenience. AI also plays a crucial role in solving complex problems. It helps scientists decode mysteries of the universe, assists doctors in diagnosing diseases, and even helps farmers increase crop yields. From the smallest tasks to the most colossal challenges, AI has a role to play. AI is not just a buzzword anymore. It's a reality that's transforming the world as we know it. It's making an impact in every field, from healthcare to entertainment, from transportation to education. It's making our lives easier, our work more efficient, and our world a better place. So the big question is not whether AI is important. It's about how we can harness its power and potential to improve our lives. It's about understanding its capabilities, learning to work with it, and leveraging it to solve problems and make tasks easier. Now you might be wondering, how do I start using AI? Getting started with AI is easier than you might think. You know, it's a common misconception that diving into the world of artificial intelligence requires a PhD in rocket science or an understanding of complex quantum physics. But that's far from the truth. In fact, all you really need is a device with an internet connection. Yes, that's right. Your smartphone, tablet, or laptop can be your gateway to the fascinating realm of AI. Think of AI like a powerful tool that's ready to assist you with various tasks. Whether it's helping you manage your calendar, offering recommendations based on your preferences, or even engaging in a meaningful conversation, AI is designed to make life a little bit easier. So, where do you start? Well, the first step is to familiarize yourself with AI platforms that are user-friendly and easily accessible. One such platform is ChatGPT. Built by OpenAI, ChatGPT is an AI model that can understand and generate human-like text. It's like having an intelligent conversation partner that's available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can ask it questions, request it to write a poem, or even have it help you learn a new language. But ChatGPT is just the tip of the iceberg. There are other similar websites and programs out there. For instance, there's Siri, Amazon's Alexa, and Google Assistant that can help you set reminders, play your favorite music, or even control your smart home devices. There's also AI in apps like Grammarly that can help improve your writing, or in platforms like Netflix that use AI to recommend shows and movies you might like. The world of AI is vast and varied, but don't let that intimidate you. The beauty of AI is that it's designed to adapt to your needs, not the other way around. So, take that first step. Explore, experiment, engage. And before you know it, you'll be navigating the AI landscape like a pro. With the basics covered, it's time to dive into the practical side. AI in practice is all about simplifying your life. It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps, constantly learning and adapting to serve you better. Let's delve into some practical examples of AI usage that are already part of our everyday lives. First off, voice assistants. Ever ask Siri for the weather forecast or Alexa to play your favorite song? These are examples of AI in action. Voice assistants use AI to understand your commands, process them, and provide the most suitable response. They're always learning from your interactions, improving their understanding of your preferences and habits. But it's not just about answering questions or playing music. Voice assistants can help manage your calendar, set reminders, send texts, and even control smart home devices. Imagine being able to preheat your oven or turn on your lights with just a voice command. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket or sitting on your kitchen counter. Now let's move on to AI writing assistants, like Grammarly. These tools use AI to correct grammar, suggest better sentence structures, and even help you avoid plagiarism. They're like having a proofreader looking over your shoulder, making sure your emails, essays, or reports are polished and professional. Finally, let's talk about AI recommendation systems. Ever wondered how Netflix always seems to know what you'd like to watch next? That's AI at work. These systems analyze your viewing history and preferences, comparing them with those of similar users to recommend shows and movies you're likely to enjoy. It's like having a personal movie critic who knows your taste inside out. From voice assistants to writing aids to personalized recommendations, AI is already deeply woven into our lives. It's helping us be more efficient, make better decisions, and enjoy our leisure time more fully. And this is just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve, so will its practical applications, becoming an even more integral part of our daily routines. AI is truly transforming how we live and work. And as we continue to embrace it, we're sure to find more ways it can make our lives easier and more enjoyable. Interacting with AI is as easy as talking to a friend. Yes, you heard that right. The beauty of artificial intelligence lies in its ability to understand and respond to human language, making it incredibly user-friendly. Let's break this down. Interacting with AI can be as simple as using your voice or typing in text. Voice-activated AI applications are becoming increasingly popular. If you've ever used Siri on your iPhone, Alexa on your Amazon devices, or Google Assistant on your Android, you've interacted with AI. These voice assistants can perform a variety of tasks, from setting reminders and playing music to answering questions and even telling jokes, all in response to your voice commands. On the other hand, if you're more comfortable with typing, text-based AI applications are also widely available. You might have used them while chatting with customer service bots online, or perhaps in apps like ChatGPT, which uses AI to generate human-like text based on the input you provide. The secret sauce behind these interactions is natural language processing, or NLP for short. NLP is a branch of AI that enables machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language. It's the technology that helps your voice assistant understand your commands, or the customer service bot to understand your queries and provide relevant responses. Now, you might be wondering, how well does AI understand human language? While it's true that AI might not understand context and nuance as well as a human friend would, advancements in AI have made it incredibly efficient at understanding and responding to human language. It can even learn from its interactions, improving its understanding over time. So, whether you choose to use your voice or type in text, interacting with AI can be as easy as having a conversation. The key is to be clear and specific with your commands or queries. And remember, just like with any other conversation, practice makes perfect. The more you interact with AI, the better it gets at understanding and responding to you. Now you know how to communicate with AI, let's talk about learning with AI. AI can be your personal tutor, always ready to help. Imagine a world where education is no longer a one-size-fits-all model, but a personalized journey tailored to each individual's unique learning style and pace. This is the reality that AI is creating for us. Artificial intelligence has been making waves in the educational sector. From AI tutors to learning platforms, it's reshaping how we learn and process information. Let's explore this a bit further. Imagine you're learning a new language. Traditionally, you might attend a class, read textbooks, or listen to tapes. But what if you could have a personal tutor, available round the clock, who understands your strengths, weaknesses, and learning style? This is where AI tutors come in. These programs use machine learning to adapt to your progress and provide personalized lessons. They can identify areas where you struggle and adjust their teaching methods accordingly. AI is not just limited to language learning. It's being used across various subjects and disciplines. From mathematics to science to humanities, AI platforms are making learning more interactive and engaging. But how does AI manage this personalized learning? Well, as you interact with the AI, it collects data about your learning habits, your strengths, your weaknesses. Then, using machine learning algorithms, it can tailor the content to fit your specific needs. It might suggest a different approach for a problem you're having trouble with, or recommend additional resources for topics you're interested in. The beauty of AI in education is that it allows us to learn at our own pace. It takes away the pressure of keeping up with a class or meeting a strict deadline. You can take your time to understand a concept, practice it, and move on when you're ready. Moreover, AI has the potential to make learning more exciting. It can incorporate gamification elements, making learning feel less like a chore and more like an engaging activity. In conclusion, the role of AI in education is vast and multifaceted. It's revolutionizing the way we learn, making education more personalized, efficient, and enjoyable. AI can make learning more efficient and fun. While AI can be incredibly useful, it's important to use it safely. As we delve into the world of artificial intelligence, it's essential to remember the importance of safety and privacy. Just like any tool, AI can be a boon or a bane depending on how we use it. So let's talk about how to navigate this landscape without compromising our security. Firstly, just as you wouldn't share sensitive personal information with a stranger, you should also be cautious when interacting with AI. This includes financial details, social security numbers, or anything that could be misused if it falls into the wrong hands. It's crucial to remember that AI, at its core, is a program. It doesn't need to know your personal details to function effectively. Secondly, be mindful of the platforms and applications you use. Not all AI tools are created equal. Some are designed with robust security measures, while others might be more lax. Always research and choose platforms that prioritize user safety and data protection. Thirdly, keep your devices updated. Developers often release updates to improve security and fix vulnerabilities. Staying updated is a simple yet effective step towards safeguarding your interactions with AI. Now let's talk about privacy. It's a common misconception that using AI means giving up on privacy. However, that's not entirely true. Many AI tools use anonymized data, which means your individual identity isn't linked to the data used. Furthermore, you can usually customize your privacy settings to control how much information you share. Lastly, educate yourself. The more you understand about AI, the better you can use it safely. There are numerous resources available online to learn about AI and data security. Knowledge is your best defense. In conclusion, while AI has the potential to transform our lives in remarkable ways, it's important to approach it with an awareness of safety and privacy. By taking a few simple precautions, you can enjoy the benefits of AI without any undue risks. Using AI safely ensures that you reap its benefits without any drawbacks. AI is not just a trend, it's the future. A statement that holds more truth than you might initially realize. The potential of artificial intelligence, or AI, stretches far beyond our current comprehension, promising to revolutionize countless sectors of our society. Let's take a look at healthcare, for instance. AI is already being used to analyze vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, aiding in early disease detection and personalized treatment plans. In the future, we can expect AI to play an even more integral role, perhaps even conducting surgeries or predicting health risks before they become an issue. Then there's the transportation sector. Self-driving cars, once a concept of science fiction, are now a reality thanks to AI. As this technology continues to improve, we can anticipate a future where traffic accidents are significantly reduced and efficiency is maximized. Imagine a world where your car knows the fastest route, the best time to travel, and even when it's time for a tune-up. But AI's potential doesn't stop there. It's set to transform education, finance, entertainment, and so many more sectors. By learning to work with AI now, you're not just keeping up with the times, you're staying ahead, ready to seize the opportunities that this technology will undoubtedly bring. Remember, AI is not an adversary. It's a tool, a partner, a means to enhance our abilities and expand our horizons. By understanding and harnessing its power, we can create a future where tasks are completed more quickly and accurately, where problems are anticipated and solved before they even occur, where our lives are not just easier, but better. So, why not start learning AI today? It's a journey of discovery that will empower you, inspire you, and who knows, it might even surprise you. Because, as we've seen, the possibilities with AI are virtually limitless. The future with AI is a future of convenience and efficiency. And that future is just around the corner. So let's embrace it. Let's learn, let's innovate, and let's shape the future together. AI is here to make our lives easier and more efficient. Our journey today has taken us from the basics of AI to its practical applications and beyond. We've established that AI isn't some futuristic concept, but a reality that's shaping our world today. We've learned how to get started with AI and how to utilize it in our everyday lives, from solving problems to learning new things. We also dove into our interaction with AI and how it can be a tool to enhance our knowledge and skills. Importantly, we've discussed the significance of safety and privacy while using AI, emphasizing that these innovations are meant to be used responsibly. Remember, AI isn't about replacing human intelligence, but complementing it. It's about harnessing the power of technology to make our lives better. With AI, the possibilities are endless. Start your journey with AI today and embrace a smarter future.